Hello everybody, hope you're all doing well. My name is John and I am working on my 2018 Genesis G80 Sport. The single piston calipers on the rear, I just wanted to see if I could fit something a little more sporty on. So I decided to grab a pair of Brembo calipers off of a Kia Stinger. And I had already checked the bolt pattern for the caliper bracket and it matched up. And the brake pads in these Brembos are pretty centered on the rotor. The rotors on my G80 are 330 mil. The rotors on the Kia Stinger are 340. However, the brake pads are not hanging off the edge of the rotor. So what I'm doing, just going through and slapping these on and seeing how they work. I wasn't sure if the brake bias was going to change much, adding the second piston to it. So I figured, what the heck, keep the old calipers, and if I need to change them back, I can change them back. So just going through the install here, and we'll see how this turns out. Wanted to try and get the brake pads out so I could inspect them. I didn't think to do that before I had the calipers off. And as you can see, the pins were causing me some trouble, shall we say. I was a little worried about using the air hammer on them, but they were so corroded in the caliper that I was just mushrooming them as I was using the punch in the beginning there. So the other side ended up going okay. It was just that one on this side. So I've been running these Brembos for about 2.5, 3 weeks now, and they feel great. I don't have any kind of issues with lockup in the dry or wet weather. I've slammed them in the rain and have not had them lock up. We have had some snow here in Ohio, and I've got on the brakes in the snowy conditions, and it's kind of mixed. I can't really point to additional brake force locking up the rears when I'm, in a patch of snow or ice. I think that would be pretty normal. So I'm really looking forward to springtime here and seeing what these can do. I'm also looking to get some upgraded brake pads for the factory Mondo fronts and these Brembo rears. So let me know what you Stinger guys, G70 guys, would recommend for brake pads for these. I've used Hawk in the past, but I can't seem to find a fitment. So yeah, I'd be interested in seeing what people are using. So let me know in the comments. Well, just getting everything wrapped up here. Overall, it was a pretty easy install. Here's a view of the clearance of the calipers to my factory wheels. And so the driver's side had actually rubbed through. The passenger side almost rubbed through there. I got the brake hoses run a little different there. I had to bend the steel line down where it bolts up to the caliper, but I've got it at a spot where it's not going to rub now, and I'll probably end up making some stainless steel braided lines.